Why am I not rich yet? In 2017, I tried my luck by investing in crypto. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough knowledge, so I gave all my money to crypto expert and let him do the job for me. Why am I not rich yet? That's because in early 2018, crash happened in Bitcoin, so I lost all my money. And then I wanted to kill this crypto expert. But I realized I should learn myself. I studied about blockchain, NFT, why and how people are buying digital art. I'm also chosen in top 50 from 7k people, that too by real investors, in this amazing internship of NAS Academy. All this process motivates me and gives me confidence. You have this power too, and I'm here to help you. I may not be rich yet, I may not be great investor, but I know where to find great knowledge. This is my crypto story. Keep following to know more.